What's going on, guys? A bit of a reminder here. I just wanted to show you how I installed my meter box. Everybody installs them differently. This is just the way I installed it. There's no right way or wrong way of doing it, but this is how my setup is. So this is the meter box here. You have this connection here to L630. This connection is going to my PSU. I'm using an APC PSU 30 amp 240 volt. It has two banks with 5 connections on each bank. So we got 15 amps and 15 amps. That's how it works. 2 different banks, 2 little circuit breakers on each side at 15 amps max. I guess the rule of thumb would be 80% on the usage. I mean, as you can see here, we are only using 3 amps. We have one rig right here, and we're using 3 amps with 6 GPUs right now. But we're going to build off of this, and hopefully I'll have to put another meter box in for the amount of power that we're going to need. But for now, this is what we got, this is what we're using, and we're getting more things in. It's just really hard, as you guys know, getting GPUs at a reasonable price. So I got a lot of other parts here waiting for, you know, the GPUs, but pretty soon, hopefully in the next week or so, we can actually build off of this. So this is the L630. I'm gonna say P because here's a box here actually. So L630P would be this plug that I hardwired into this plug right here, and the L630R is coming from the electrical box. Sorry for the lighting, hopefully you can see it. So the L630P and then the L630R is what's on, that's what's in the meter box. So the L630R is in the meter box. This is a P that came from the PSU. So that's how we have it connected. It's working very, very well. No issues. And I just wanted to give you guys a recap on how I installed my meter box. If you didn't see the install video, I'll have it down in the description below on the install video and putting the meter box together. I had another question here for you guys. What do you think? I was thinking about wrapping this and finish wrapping it because I extended it, because the way the airflow and the way this worked on this GPU frame, I didn't like it. So I extended it. We're gonna wrap it anyway, I think, but let me know in the comments below, because I just thought that the airflow wasn't sufficient enough. So that's about it, guys. Just wanted to make this pretty short. Didn't want to make it too long. Just wanted to do a recap and let me know what you think. Let's build this channel together so we can show a lot more content and some cool stuff. I got a lot of things in the works besides GPUs in the building and the frames. I'll just show you here. I'm starting to make connections, like custom cables. So we'll see how it goes. I'm going to do a lot of testing. I'll do a lot of R&D on these cables. One of the main things, anyone can try to make cables, but if you have a loose connection, you have a fire. And I just don't like the way these cables look. They're efficient, but I just don't like the way they look. They're just, they're all over the place. They're very thick and hard to cable manage. Now, I know it's a mining rig, but as you can see, I like to do a lot of wrapping. I'm not a professional, but I like to do stuff that's a little different. So let me know what you think in the comments below. I appreciate you guys. Till next time, have a great day.